This video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Umsipos.
Yeah, Grootman Stivo.
Yeah.
Stivo, man. I'm so happy, man. And member. Yeah, too.
Oh.
Yeah. For Kempton Park branch.
Okay.
Yeah. Stivo, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Mara, I was demoralized. Game Chipa United.
Yes.
Yes. Mara, after I see the game today.
Yeah.
Yeah, AmaZulu.
Yeah.
I saw no. Sundowns is the same team that he was playing last season.
Yes.
It's just maybe there and there that we need to fix.
Just to adjust.
To adjust.
Yeah.
But I want to tell you something, Stibo.
Yeah.
We are going escorting Sagamabize.
Yes.
You'll see surprises.
Surprises.
People that they don't know. They're just praying, they're saying, no, Sman Dawi is gone, Rebere is gone, Sundowns is no longer there.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, Stibo.
He said it's dead.
Stibo, the bomb is coming. You see that man when he left here?
Yeah.
Mahinya, Barikimang. Dijon.
Yeah.
He's saying there's a bomb.
Coming.
That is coming.
Saturday. Yeah.
Stibo,
PhD.
yeah, I was listening the interviews. When you ask them how Pirates plays, they talk about Sundowns.
Yes.
I don't want to talk about Pirates, but what do you know? People, they must know that Pirates had lost 2-1 again. 2 games in a row.
Yes.
Sundowns had never lost any single game. And the way they were speaking about Sundowns, like Sundowns had lost.
Yes.
Sundowns had never lost.
Yeah.
It was only a draw.
Yes.
You understand when you come out, obvious. You can't beat or you can't then able to kill a snake where a snake is staying.
A Konagal.
Yes. So then now other snake comes to our place or someone come to my house.
Yeah.
So then I beat that person.
You killed him.
I killed AmaZulu 2-0. Not 2-1. 2-0.
Yeah.
It showed that Sundowns. No, actually, let me tell you, when as a Sundowns supporters, we need to start first to realize that, no, it's the first of season. These guys are coming from Club World Cup.
Yeah.
They are tired. They're not rest well.
Yeah.
So then, this actually, we did not even have any preseason, actually. So then the guys are tired and they need to adjust their mental.
Yeah.
So then now it's about adjusting them. This is their preseason, actually.
Yeah.
Sundowns is still in a preseason.
Va.
We're adjusting our memory for the Betway Premiership.
True.
I'm telling you, Stivo, I will from today, you will interview me when Sundowns left with 10 games, and that 10 games, Sundowns already will be winning the league, like the last season.
Yeah.
I'm saying, no team that is going to overtake Sundowns or going to win the Betway Premiership until Sundowns. Go and take Bafana Bako Strateng ku Namden Batla Batlo.
Yeah.
But if we still have our development and able to break the bank and buy players, no team that is going to stop Sundowns.
Man of the match.
Man of the match today, we did not waste the 60 million that they were saying we buy. It's a scam. Today, or the end of the season. And from today, I see that we did not lose that 60,000.
Yeah.
It's about adjusting. Sales is now adjusting.
To Sundowns.
Yeah. The 60,000, the 60 million that we buy for Sales, the 60 million.
Yeah.
Now we saw that it's working.
Good investment.
And a good investment, it's good in terms of replacement of Ribeiro. But Ribeiro is not replaced. Ribeiro is there.
Oh, he's here.
He's here, and I'm telling you, that's why we Escotini. People, they will see surprises.
Ribeiro will go in.
I'm telling you, no. People, they must not say Ribeiro is gone. Ribeiro is not gone. Ribeiro is Sundowns players.
He's here.
Until Sundowns announce, Ribeiro is gone.
Yeah.
Media, they can talk.
Yeah.
Whatever they want to talk.
Yeah.
But Ribeiro is still Sundowns player. Muda is still Sundowns player.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, behind closed doors, in our family business, I can tell you, on Saturday, but I don't want to, on Saturday, they must see surprises.
Or you won't tell me?
I won't tell you. The secret, because it's a family business. Until we announcing on Saturday, you will see it. Or no, the issue of Ribeiro is gone and so forth. That is a rumors because people want to know what is happening out those doors, and we can't tell you until it's done. They will say Salule this, Salule is there. Did not see Salule playing. He played. True. That's why I'm telling you no. Sundowns is a best team. It's not a big. The people they can say best. Sundowns is the best team ever. In Africa. Not in South Africa. In Africa. You go to Cairo. You come to South Africa. You'll see still Sundowns.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you, Thibo. I will see you when Sundowns again. Or Escotinska Mabizela when we beating Pirates 5-0.
Thank you, Mr.